How to hide Instagram story from someone. So if you want to hide your Instagram story from someone, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram you can go to the upper left corner which says your story and tap on that. And now here on the upper right corner you will have a settings icon. Tap on settings, and under settings you will have three options: story, reels and live. So tap on story, and before proceeding make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now if you want to hide your Instagram story from someone, then you have to tap on hide story from, and here you can simply and here you will have a search bar, and under the search bar you can simply search for the person, and after searching you can simply tap on the circle which is on the right side, and that's it. You can go back, and so that's it. That's how you hide your story on Instagram from someone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.